First I block the wheel. My truck and trailer has ADS system, so there no need to drain the wet tank daily. My truck and trailer has a automatic slack adjuster, but I know how it adjust it manually. First, check the SCAM direction with pry bar and push the locking roller in. Fully tight the adjusting bolt in the same direction of SCAM moving. Check no push rod travel and lose 1/3, and check push rod travel should be 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch, making sure locking roller out. In my jockey box open properly. In jockey box 3 emergency triangle, a fire extinguisher fully charged, and first fully loaded first aid kit. Jockey box open properly. In my cab has a torch, timer and pry tool. Now I'm going to do underhood insert. Top of the engine no visible leakage, underneath no visible the leakage. All holes are safe and secure, and no cut, no bulges, and tight with the clamps. Fan blades no teeth missing, no cut, no crack. Both fan belt no cut, no crack, no bulges, and fully tight and safe and secure. Chassis, hanger, leaf spring, U-bolt, axle, tie rod, shocker, no dent, no bent, no oil leakage from shocker. Brake chamber no dent, no bent, safe and secure, no extra hole and no air leakage. And air line no cut, no bulges, well connected and safe and secure. Push rod travel 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. Washer fluid level is good, cap is tight, mud flag no touching the tire, no touch the ground. Inside tire no cut, no bulges, inside ram no dent, no bent, inside brake drum safe and secure, no dent, no bent, no oil leakage. Top of the tire fully inflated and tread depth more than 3 mm. Outside tire no cut, no bulges, outside rim no dent, no bent, all nug nut present, tight and secure. Hub seal no damage, no oil leakage. Top of the engine no visible leakage, underneath no visible leakage. Coolant level is good. Both cap is tight. Electric wire no corrosion, safe and secure. Cap tight, safe and secure. Oil cap level is good, thickness is good, no bad smell. Hoses safe and secure, tight with clamps, no cut, no corrosion, no crack, no bulges. Fan blade no teeth missing, no cut, no crack. Both fan belt tight and safe and secure, no cut, no bulges. Airline no cut, no bulges, safe and secure. Steering rod no dent, no bent, no extra hole. Steering box no dent, no bent, no oil leakage. Steering assembly no dent, no bent. Steering box oil level is good, no leakage. Chassis, hanger, leaf spring, U-bolt, axle, shocker, tie rod, no dent, no bent, no oil leakage from shocker. Governor and ADI system no dent, no bent, safe and secure, and discharge line no cut, no bulges, and well connected with compressor no dent, no bent. Clutch oil level is good, cap is tight. Mud flag no touching the tire, no touch the ground. brake chamber no dent, no bent, no extra hole, and no safe and secure, and airline well connected, airline no cut, no bulges. Push rod travel half to 3/4 of an inch. Inside tire no dent, no cut, no bulges. Inside ram no dent, no bent. Inside brake drum no dent, no bent, no oil leakage. Top of tire fully inflated and tread this more than 3 mm. Outside tire no cut, no bulges. Outside ram no dent, no bent. All nut present. Tight and secure. Hub seal, no damage, no oil leakage. All warning light is working. Make sure governors puts the compressor in unloading stage between 105 to 135 psi. I will listen the sneeze. ठंडा ट्रक था स्टार्ट किया सर compressor in unloading stage between 105 to 135. I will listen the sneeze. I have listened the sneeze. Now I will check, make sure my governor puts the compressor in unloading stage. Now I check, make sure governor puts the unloading stage not less than 80. Make sure governor puts the compressor in unloading stage not less than 80.
Not unloading, loading, okay?
Both needles are rising, which confirm my governor puts compressor in loading stage. Now I will check low air warning sign. Activate. At 60. My low air warning sign has been activated. Now I will check trailer brake dynamite. Trailer brake dynamite will between 45 to 20 psi. The red button will pop out sometime both. Both button pops out, which confirm my trailer has brakes has dynamite. Now I will check go and manually. Check manually. push rod and slack adjuster in 90-degree angle. No push rod travel in passenger side. No push rod travel in driver side, which confirm my trailer brake has been dynamic. Now I will check tractor protection valve. No air leakage from trailer side. Now I will press the brake for 5 to 8 seconds for check air leakage. No air leakage from inside and outside tray. Now we'll check gland hands, any air leakage. No air leakage from gland hands. My tractor protection valve is working properly. Four O-ring is present, no dirty, no greasy. Seven holer, no dirty, no greasy. 7 pen is present, no corrosion, no dirty, no greasy. Now I will do 3-minute air leak test. Now I will do 3-minute air build test. My compressor will build the air 50 to 90 psi in 3 minutes at 1000 to 1200 rpm. I will start the time when first needle hit the 50. Hit the 50 and stop the time when second needle hit the 90.
Which is first, which is second?
This is first, this is second.
Okay, we will discuss.
Which needles touch first at 50, that is first. My first needle touch the 50, I start the time. Lower warning sign has been deactivated. Second needle hit the 90, I stop the time. My tractor build the air 50 to 90 psi in 1 minute and 2 seconds at 1000 to 1200 rpm, which confirm my compressor health is good. Now for 1 minute air leak test I need more air. I put the cruise mode for build the air. Until that I do the cabin inspection. Both wood mirror clean, no chip, no crack. Both windshield, no chip, no crack, clean properly. Wiper is working, washer fluid is also working, no blade missing. Both side mirror, no chip, no crack, and adjusting according to me. Both window glasses, no chip, no crack, down properly, up properly. Seat belt secure, forward properly, back properly. Please check yours. Seat belt, no cut, no twist. Lock properly, unlock properly. Please check yours. Steering, no extra play. City horn is working. Highway horn is working. Driver side indicator is working. Passenger side indicator is working. Low beam is working. High beam is working. Voltage meter gauge is working at 15 volt. This 14.1 meter. Oil gauge is working 55 psi. Turbo gauge. Water gauge is working, RPM gauge is working, speed meter is also working. I will show you on a road. Both primary and secondary gauge is working. Fuel gauge is working, enough fuel for a trip. Instrument light is working. 4-way flasher is working. Dome light is working. Working. Hot is working. Cool is working. Nothing on my dashboard, and my trailer and tractor document is in this box. Now we will do a 1 minute air leak test. I will not lose in 1 minute for more than 4 psi. I will start the time when both needles are settled down. Both needles are settled down. I start the time. My 1 minute has been done. I stop the time. I did not lose more than 4 psi. My air brake test has been done.